Hello all, this is Karamveer Singh from CAD Center Hazratganj, and I invite you all to join the internship on development of conversion setup for petrol fuel spark ignition engine on ethanol based spark ignition flex engine. The objective of this internship is to engage the students in integrating subjective knowledge along with practicals. The internship title is associated with the concern by the government for lot of spark ignition engines throughout the world as well as in India to convert them with the help of some sort of conversion kit so that they can be operated by alternative fuel such as ethanol. The sole objective is, since there are n number of such engines, replacing them by electric or any other substitute will be a tedious job. So it would be better that if we develop some kind of a conversion kit and reduce the carbon footprint. This internship will help you all to understand the following bullet points. Number 1, how can we generate ethanol fuel? Number 2, the comparison between combustion characteristics of ethanol fuel along with combustion characteristics of petrol. Number 3, developing the theoretical model for the said conversion kits. Number 4, developing a 3D model on any of the 3D software and doing the required analysis. Number 5, we'll be going through a procedure how we can develop a practical model out of the theoretical model. And number 6, we will be testing our so developed conversion kit on a proper test rig. So this is all the integration of subjective knowledge with the practicals. So I wish you all to come together and join the internship so that next time you can't say that we didn't get the opportunity for such a case of developing our own conversion kit. Thank you very much.